Ye bedru he ye bompa say happy new year ne new bia beka no bia so beka bia chiro bia and am me reply message bia last week na trended I fa minua Kelvin Taylor the video bia and I think that he was not happy because Mr. T said I was say how do you call it I was say His Excellency John Mahama conceded na ye movie on na on share if he's going to come back in 2024 the best thing for him would be for him to concede and it's fine. As for me adia me will be as a pan say my bibina obia kasa about TPP. I love it. Minisika dear radio and TV interviews. And me catch them from day one. Me study TPP that the people will sell it for us. And so it's a trick. That's the idea. Me person me ye bibi apart from say ye be royal me person me ye bibi na every day everybody is talking about TPP. Me nyanka one day me dem nyane the whole Facebook obia ye live video and it's about TPP. What you say? However, me I might not be an expert in anything, but I am an expert in ignoring people. Me one more bra will come as my main source. Who hear me will come as my main source. Enti and Sunday na nopa and I mean about if you ask nigga friend, your friend will say, hey Kwame, girl, you why and then the debut do attempt as a girl ben. I feel no better church a girl be them say if ya obi a uboni dia just watch na say. Or no doc udi matama na makoso so that be me yes sir just a wo bobra. Enti unwu se meni obi tse honorable Oslewusu kontoka wa bobra mebu no me like what I say achievement ni papa ne anu omku no obi a wetin yes akwe your friend that funky that the Fred was why or Facebook or say sanka mag medini age no na meti America na metwitwi nkuku mu a what I say inside them could dig that the funk said that the Fred said that the BB omuboni din BB papa penny be nim dori what I say because me like my court such as when I was that be your mobra what I say wait ya me bua me ka sama me ka na nado danko akufu ado ase ono na abobra what I say me ka sama me ka John Mahama me ka say what say obi the A+ kokko hwan yes asabi now the A+ or court or the whole Ghana police the court san iti no menua anope me hye wanu onyam video ya me yi abobra iti na me ka wasem no what I say obra nka me ka iti ye nu onyam hye kase pa na me di ama no na asam na say say na who problem with me say former president on conceding. There is nothing wrong with disagreeing with each other. A Jumana ye no, akwa say nyamesom. Obi de befa Islam. No obi de fa Christianity. Obi kura de fa traditional religion. Me na kwa kuduku no ebosomfo. Na onsom bronsam. Osom nyankopon titi kwedian po nyankopon true ne bosom no. Enti no ubehu ne na bosom dan no ba ko no atro do na no nyametu mesom because osom nyame true ne bosom no Yesu na onjindi ono so ne de no yenso yenye di Yesu di ye de no obi so je prophet Muhammad edi ono so ne de no saa ne ye no obi disagree with MPP mean so pese Ghana konkan obi disagree with NDC mean say Ghana konkan intimidate ade na won base count na prempe ye no kra no time I was some jai, yen you know, Pesa Ghana Conanim, and I was saying, ya baku Manase Azuri, Anas, Vim Lady, Kwame Free for Mensa, Kelvin Taylor, base count, yen you know, Achi Palago, Obia can't somewhere but Ghana. Send a bear Ghana Baconanim, yet Ghana, yes, Singapore, and I say UAE, it's like yen I bear there. And no, I will see a kaboom. And what kind some no, I don't agree with you. The issue is that Kelvin, I have met so many NDC form penifua on my catcher me say they don't like how you communicate. And you know, uno mudilia also here. And na Kevin say no ye no e pamo nkrofo free party no so many of them. And I'm telling you this. Ye kanfo wa chacha e wodu aforo no na ye kanfo wa chacha. Ye be. Penifo say ye kanfo wonu aforo no na ye kanfo wa chacha. So wo behwe a anytime bia Mike Tyson obebo nkrofo da ye be wono ba ko obeto fom no na ye obi ade at least ya bo killer no. Da ye be she Barcelona no eye nkrofo de Barcelona omuni mbo ba ye she Barca bon say nkrofo de wonim wi ase wo yen na afi de wo hu ya ye enti nkrofo na wadwen say wo ya mom no kra no omukota ntokro mu a no makoka say o na Kevin no say no oye no bebre o makache bebre enti woni omo di nkomo a ka kire omo say say sa na motie. Apart from that no ye bo to Techiman South no Yambo Mahama Batuo, Yambo Akufo-Addo Batuo, and I will always say it. 2008, yetu aba. His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo lusu ye. Ofiri ne dem wo isile gon see for me no share more steps nano. Ohun be pe na se Kwame anye yi o, na me se Nana ye be ko biem. 2012, Satam na me ne Nana wo isile gon na me se ye be ko biem no, na ko ye opon kromo ni ho. 2012 yeto aba Nana say yisi nya abotre ma yisi mbo aba no ma say no mo te Joy FM omo no mo fra aba no ma Mahama 2012 omo no mo call election na ma Mahama enne yeto aba wi 2016 omo ano mo abotai na no omo ne di post no ma omo enti minua menka say bia o post but even enipa na wadwen say wo ya ade ama omo no omo tirimu no omo afa wo ho pra omo categorize nipa no we num ye omo di atam no we num ye omo e be small omo we num ye omo e di omo be demonstration and we num no omo e be omo contract no and we num no omo e be omo post no ya categorize nipa no enti be bia wo pe no ho na wo de wo ho be hye wo ton se na wo be ton ho no saa na ye be to me politicians we a mistake they will use you and they will dump you. And I've experienced it before. Me, 2016, ye to abawi ye pa me first ntokwa me ku okruma me ne honorable Brian Champion. E ba ne sen na na me ne Brian Eko. Me question ye very simple. Hey, ye di Nana Addo echi for 10 years. Believe in Ghana concert musicians yi nyina di echire. Ya boa campaign na ama Nana Addo aba power. Nana Addo ba power na mo koye jams wo kwawu a. After the when a new set of musicians, enti mankasa o monfa me nkobi o. Me say na musicians na o di MPP echi no, eye den ti na mo koye jamsa, mo akati o nyina out. Mo win election ya mo nya na foforo. Enti me kan sa pe, me ankasa ko mo frem say, "Oh, Kwame, wo bra be kan ho bi. Anya hwe, ye be ma o sika, ye betua o ka bra, na me say me call land no. Me mba be dia. Ade mo ya na me yapa, me time." Say nkofo di machia afre de do say aben no mo ko jams dia mako frefre nkofo fofora no mo ko mo supporting Nana Addo enwani I was fighting for the people. Sound to kwan start ye pe ena maami efu akoto maami efi akoto Maslock deputy CEO maami efi akoto ofre me MPP communication obi anko bisa me zameboa me kan sama me kan na asem me kan bia so no me yo say Nana Hesi Ojibi minya kan wo ye mistake me go tape na chero me I am the only person who can die with your secret me ntia me na so me de bewu but what try say wo be ye me mouse a chance no enti no ma me afia koto na frame say MPP communication team akọ meeting no mo ko meeting no na ya na jobe omo say friend me be say 7:38 omo call meeting no communication team no essay Brian Champion na so ye den na Brian Champion ye say no ye say enti no me attack no ata na ye jimi o ene ye nyi o be jimi bre na kamu time na politicians using and nkofo using na ne ya adwen na ho no nipa everybody has gone through a phase that time no na me jimi pa tenase me tse san komo no pe na me increase ya no take Brian left right center and check Satan Akufo-Addo yi positions no ayi me na Kelvin tie ne ye ombe pian me kyerɛw anche na nkofo bi so na omo pɛ minister omo pɛ ministry bi bo mo nim sɛ Brian betumi nya sa ministry no nti omo pɛ so ye say Brian omo so bɛka kyerɛ me sɛ Charlie winning party for ni nyina meeting omo say go and attack Brian awurade Yesu me was support from top and then me Brian na attacking is one of the command lawyers anche na Gabi Otredako or sending me a screenshot of Asama Brandy Champon a posting on Facebook. It will put or sending a screenshot, you know, Asama Kaka when they say, oh, look at what your guy has posted, but ignore. In politics, a trick. Suddenly a trick. If you want me to ignore, you will just pick a phone and call me and say, Kwame, I'm talking on the Brian Econ first will be in this castle. Men, but who person me who are there no na migra. And some of the catch them say ignore a trick. Sometimes me and him. What I said to I send what you know, but don't mind him. It is just simple trying to tell you that. And like why are you sending me the evidence? So then I have to increase the fire. Saying in politics, people have their own interest in everything, and so they will push you to attack people, to insult people, to do whatever. At the end of the day, they benefit. You don't. And I have learned the hard way. So I had to wake up one day, go to Brandy Champon, and go and apologize to that. Bro, you know what? This is what has happened. You forget BBR. What I say? And you know, Kevin, NDC phone baby, they say they don't like how you communicate. I'm telling you, they will use you, you will do all the dirty work, and by the time they will come to power, they will not remember that Kevin Taylor was the one who was attacking this person, and you will turn around and you see that you have made so many enemies. If you don't have the courage to go and apologize to people, you will be left, you become an island. No one will see you because you have attacked too many people. Me, when I attack you, there's a way of bouncing. If I think that I did something wrong, I'll come and apologize. Now, Asama Amakachra, his former president, John Mahama, they said, concede. And I want to tell John Mahama today, I want to tell John Mahama today that anybody who can wake up and go to electoral commission to go and demonstrate, anybody who can wake up and go on the street to demonstrate is a die-hard NDC person. Sanipan, we don't beto about Sanipan, we are done beto about. And as Sanipano, assembly of a catcher Libya will be tea because when are your leader? Whatever you tell that person, they will listen because you are their leader. The people that you cannot talk to are the floating voters who add that margin that makes you president. And those are the people omumpe basabasa, omumpe demonstration at the traffic backroom, omumpe ehun say hey intoko ebesi, some perform omumpe saadie no. When Nanado was the guy, the best man for Ghana, I am say, I am that, I am this. Atamils was doing minianum, and he was shaking people's hands. And Nanado needs to say no, Atamils winning election no. So Nanado had to leave all the giddy behind and start the battle is the Lord's. Asem Papa Mati, oye. John Mahama, you don't need to learn to be like that. And Kevin Taylor, you don't need to push John Mahama to do that. All of you who are Munamuye blogger, Munamuye say, and this is from Penifono, Muamu pushing now, Muamu piano, Wenko say, and a Nipanko say, and this is from Penifono. They have categorized you in the list of people now. They will never categorize you amongst the group of people who deserve to do a Japan deal. Yeah, MPP, a rally, a Nanado Koba, who was a for Bao. Yeah, Japan no CEO, so no, no decline. Yes, you may in Ghana, the whole Ghana, you may know. So your creative position was for Nenemba. And the politicians, they put you in categories. How you sell yourself is how they will buy you. It's Omadi can't put you in that category of when we are the only they do radio. So they have not put you in the list of Yewini election. I'll see Mark Kelvin Banobeya a communication deputy minister for them. They have not put you in that list. They have a certain value that they have placed on you. And so It is very, very important. Apart from that, the ordinary people, the NDC people who come on your page to watch 15,000 people watch, NDC for. You need the support of the independent and floating voters. You need their support. And those people, they are the ones, they are the kingmakers. And those people, they don't like gidi. And then, you see, Kaneshi market, ashe. And away market, ashe. You see, a kochi or two corner driver. And I have a job to her. If John Mahama does not concede defeat and agree that the election was stolen, but Ghana unkonenim, John Mahama, all he needs is a small margin. And anybody who loves this man, anybody who wants this man to come back again, anybody who thinks that John Mahama has a future in politics, will be the first person to call John Mahama and say, John, let us demonstrate against let's call for electoral reforms in Ghana. Obianko Street, what are we calling for? It is not either say election engine farmer John Mahama now say what is the call? I want to join. Why should people go out and demo? For what? Do we want electronic vote? What do we want? Why we should just go and do what? And block traffic so that what? Emma John Mahama who ye he John Mahama knew here say you bear 300,000-400,000 votes per, and he can deliver one speech that makes him president. It depends on how he conducts himself. But Miriam, you do not have to allow people to use you. You do not have to allow people to push you. And if you love John Mahama, a very simple and straightforward. John Mahama should continue being that star boy. Come out to and let people understand and let people love you. Hey, Mama can't say me John Mahama be president in Ghana and Singapore and Dubai. In Ghana, for no one who's about politicians, I for the election we win. No, Ghana to say heaven. No, Ghana for doa near to Obama. Yan doa, forget it. It's what you need. Your door. You need a door. Keke. Ghana for me to more keke. Go on, politicians. Same. You have to let the people have trust in you. Let the people love you. Let the people believe in you, and then they'll vote for you. But and then A plus I can say John Mahama and accepting it will affect him. Hey, it is not true. If Obia was steady Ghana system no terrain no Obia steady Ghana politics for some time no when him say no correct. So many people in this country gidi. And so if you compare Ghana to another country and say, oh, here Bobby Wine or a Corona saying Uganda, no yet the way and Kofu and no more Kuntokwa, won't mean yes, I didn't know Ghana. Mema catch Rubia say, I was say a Ghana penny for no see a Tromunipa, but it has to be peaceful. Obia person we will Kroma. The fact say who person we know does not make you a coward. The fact that open to does not make you a brave person. Sometimes you have to be a braver. And they say, sometimes to be brave, you have to have the courage to run away. You have to run. A year then, me see any papa 100, one person with Chimukume, and I'm free one, and I'm seeing one, or more chasing woman to me and Chime. Say, I want a near Dino. That is bravery. A year then, hey, from the second band of Jeremy, be a shot on the war, me and me woo ye. Where Jimmy, you are not brave. Sometimes being able to run away is bravery. Everything that we want to do must come from here, our heads. We must be able, it is not by force that Kwame Nkrumah won independence for this country without firing a single shot. But he was brave, he was more brave than J.B. Danquah and the other people. How did he do it? We can also do it here. So, what's it, baby? That's a one inciting for. That's a politicians know a young with the and no. Hey, Kevin Taylor, you're Casamayo. Wow. Oh, wow. Hey, Kevin Taylor. Kweku skirt today near Dio, Casamayo. Share. Missing some more can. Omunya win election now from Omon fat. Meaning, I know me 2 more 4. Yenya. Omunya win election we are from Omonfa. MPP for win election back. Hey, Omo Kasama, Omuna Mina Miese, Namina Miese, no, Omucha posting your moon will be. O friend on fat. So, my people, Mama, a humana ye yeno, Yamfa yeni, and to form. Yamfa Ghana, who gone yard, yen nibi, na ya sebi, and son ya be started for fraud. Liberia for Kuntokani, one wife for Kuntokani adieno, and for when we see baby out. Ye nibi, and at the fact say, come here, plus and confirm, Provost say, Yan Kwane Yan Kokun, made the Biameka say, me, Akufuado. But person me not or no your boss. Person me beating no. I want us to organize the biggest protest in this country. It is look in England, climate change demonstration. For months, people were standing outside and they were demonstrating. For months. What is so you? You are near Prapraho, near Ko. So it has to be strategic. And for John Mahama to come back, which of course I think that if he has, I think that he shouldn't give up. But we said people will give you up. And if John Mahama wants to come back and make an impact, he should present himself as that guy. That guy. Let Ghana girls promote if you look at Kobe winning election. Now who said 6 million votes M11? Yeah, papa no. Guess no feel he said, hey guy, no, Mahama saw a guy. Papa. Almost 6 million votes. A man at 2 man too. Guess no, almost 2 man heavy. Man nipen feel. Many pen feel me a casa many a dear. Many a day say me kukuni pow. Many a day say I will never stop what I hope to achieve. Even if I'm threatened with death, I will never stop. And yes, if you are my father say, Yankoni Yanko Sheha, Yankoni Yanko Kunwe, and Nama catcher mono, John Mahama, Fregana Funina, ye rally cassia, na frobia, na church ideas will let him natural be as a woo near ye real, but hope a Ghana conin. You be saying Xiaomu 2024 na hwese Ghana for en support wa. Se Ghana for chirawo odo na when we need election 1 year president kurana. President Kufuor so go on year Ghana president biemu. But people love him. So you have to more bloggers na more kasama more affiliated to John Mahama and all of these people no. If there is life, there is hope. Let's find a way to go about bringing about electoral reforms. Akufo-Addo, Olusu election petition, what he said was that I've lost, I'm not happy. However, I'm happy that elections, how we conduct elections in Ghana will change because of this election petition. And yes, it is very, very important. Say, you know, supporting your mind, Adia ye, your Mahama, and then Crawford now be near Shetai. Oh, Shetai to achieve what? It is not even coordinated. Obeying what anybody wants. It's just people out there. Yeah, Shetai. Yeah, you see, to do what, to achieve what? Young election, we have some young farmer Akufo and John Mahama. Yeah, dang. What is the end game? Don't allow politicians to use you. Me, they have used me before. They will never get me to use me again. They will never. Do not, meaning Kevin, do not allow these people to use, and do not. I will say we are easy. I will say we are very, very easy. On my Facebook, say, and people must go, and without justice, who electoral commission will be on no social media, on no. Yeah, electoral commission. Yeah, boom, Crawford. Yeah, 2 tear gas. More Facebook. How many of you were there? They will not come when you call them. They will not come. They will not come. But they will push you to make enemies. They will push you against your friends. They will push you against people, and then they will sit back. And when positions come, they will share it for themselves. You will not be there, my guy. See, and at this point, go, people must be careful what they say, how they do things, and how and what they do. People must be very careful. And anybody, I repeat, anybody who loves John Mahama, must be interested in his tomorrow, must be interested in his future, must have interest in his future, and must tell John Mahama that you are a winner. Go and come again. Just so come sheni bi ashe John Mahama come say obewu into any yase Wendy na bedu 2024, which I don't think say it's going to happen. If there is life, there is hope. Jesus, you can't tell your mama say, your friend saying, NDC, or stand a con your more adianomian or friends. Flag bearer race no more obe lose, and you know, feel some person. No, John, as for me, I think that this is the time you ko bring him. I feel we bra ya brew we are see, and your mind ya timmy. Yamia ya don't yen na yetin kom, December money away. December money away. Yamia ya dom yen nyina yetin kom ye bedru December. December ya ye bedri obian kan sumbi asem. Obian ka Ghana nkan kwa asem. Obian wo voice bia no ka kire mampeni dada your friend saying John Mahama say John, if there is life, there is hope. Why name who asama ato Akufo-Addo okroma from 2008 no try no lose no ko no ba eh enye na newe di president ayi omo anu omo nam ne ho Akufo-Addo say enne olusu election a nkodi besua ade let my vote count ni nyina yesikasam John Mahama yenko ye demo ye nte ase ni nyina omo bagisika adwuma na omo ye ye no asi obia pese odi John Mahama sika wote ase adwuma na omo ye ye no asi obia hwehwe kwan bi asika de beba ebinu bebre kra wa NDC ni mu a they want John Mahama obeye ne hufu se na beya ontumi mbabiem. John, if you have a future in Ghana's politics, let it go. Come again. You can win. And Kevin Taylor, if you love John, support me. Tell John Mahama that John, let it go and come again. So we are. Uni ni obenya. Mpeni forces are all on kwa. Who are there nyina. Nyaminsro bibia. Mama Merry Christmas.